Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete or erase an audio sound in Sony Vegas. So I opened Sony Vegas. I got Sony Vegas Pro 15. Sony Vegas Pro 15. So you click on here on files, here files, and then click on import, here import, and then click on media. Then you just add from your desktop, from your computer, laptop, those videos. Now they are on Sony Vegas. We just drag them all to the timeline here. No. Alright. Now we just click on the audio section here. Click on it. Click on it and then click on here. Click on U for United. Here U letter. So once you click on U, then click on once you click on U, you can click on here delete. Click on delete or on your mouse right click. So once you click on delete, it will be deleted and only the video, the vision stays without audio. Then we can do for all of them like that, for all of them, and then U, and then again U. Click on each audio U, all U, and then click here on delete section here, delete. So and then one by one you can click on delete, 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 delete. That's all. This is Sony Vegas tutorial. Please subscribe me for more tutorials. Have a nice day. Bye.